You identify a way to transform the quality and capacity of how things get done in your work. But then comes the reality of sharing it. Your vision gets bogged down in unpolished drafts, pixelated images, and stale project artifacts. It leads to an exhausting cycle. You find yourself providing manual, one-off explanations, or navigating endless corporate phone trees just to gain basic alignment on a concept that should be clear. Think of it like a financial investment, providing a flat, linear return. You are pouring in immense human effort, not to grow the idea, but merely to keep different versions of it synchronized across your organization. Logistically intensive sharing processes create a bottleneck that traps insight in a manual cycle, requiring constant human intervention just to maintain the status quo. The For Every Idea Readiness Assessment reframes your thinking into a buyer-centric arc, preparing your idea for immediate, scalable delivery. The diagnostic takes 15 minutes. You answer 10 questions focused on delivery physics, with no scoring for creativity or abstract vision. The objective is to pinpoint the exact structural breakdown points where an idea is likely to fail under the pressure of real-world corporate governance. This assessment is the required first step to transition a fragile manual burden into a durable, digitally scalable asset. This diagram maps a diagnostic built on the Zachman framework, shifting from merely documenting an idea to structuring it across 5 distinct modules. First, we test web integrity and digital compatibility to ensure the idea scales without blurring and survives contact with modern devices. Module 3 evaluates enterprise performance, testing if a concept can be priced and approved in a single meeting. This is paired with communication effectiveness, determining if a new stakeholder can grasp the core why in under 60 seconds. Finally, we assess dynamic updatability to see if your knowledge product can synchronize thousands of updates automatically across all versions without workflow friction. This stress test proves whether an idea is ready for modern execution, specifically identifying the unproductive manual steps that must be removed. Completing the diagnostic produces a private idea readiness brief. This document identifies why an idea currently requires constant re-explanation and maps the fastest path to fix it. For early-stage ideas, the brief recommends digital product recreation to escape manual formats. For evolving ideas, it suggests a $500 live edit service, which uses cloud-first technology to stabilize your changes as the idea matures. Higher-tier concepts receive different paths. Ideas requiring parallel improvement utilize a 90-day collaboration platform to prevent global understanding from breaking. Full digitally scalable capabilities move toward advanced systems integration. As shown in this results table, these tiers rely on machine-readable specifications. This allows you to automate routine administrative tasks and ensure alignment across different domains. Every brief acts as a direct task order, matching identified delivery risks with the exact structural service needed to remove them. Once the structural blocks are removed, you can pierce information silos. A single web link allows you to update hundreds of people using only a few kilobytes of bandwidth. Look at this chart comparing 2 types of growth. One side earns a fixed $100,000 every day for 30 days. The other is a single penny that doubles every day. While the fixed return is safe, the doubling penny creates compounding growth that exceeds $5 million. Paper-based artifacts provide that flat, linear return. Web-based knowledge products scale like the doubling penny, rapidly accumulating thousands of fractional idea improvements over time. This exponential scale integrates machine learning and digital automation, forever removing the logistical drag of paper-based iteration. In this model, your intelligence is no longer wasted on version control. Every action is focused entirely on creating compounding momentum. This process transforms a raw idea into a continuously self-improving, trusted asset. These services are delivered through reliable, fixed-price engagements, giving entrepreneurs a predictable path to scale. Stop managing static artifacts. Scale your ideas exponentially. Take the assessment today, backed by the enterprise credentials of Forever Idea.